Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bone broth soup full guide. Start by collecting marrow and knuckle bones, roast if desired, then place in a large stock pot, cover with cold water, add a splash of vinegar, and bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam, add aromatics like onion, carrot, and celery, then simmer low and slow to concentrate flavor and extract gelatin for a nourishing broth. Collect a mix of bones and roast them until nicely browned to deepen flavor. Transfer bones to your pot and cover with cold water, adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to help leach minerals. Bring to a simmer, skimming scum as it forms, then lower heat to maintain a gentle bubble so the broth becomes clear and gelatinous over many hours. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great pair of socks. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long kitchen days or keeping warm while simmering broth. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Maintain a gentle simmer and avoid boiling to keep the broth clear and flavorful. For poultry, aim for 12 to 24 hours, and for beef or pork, plan 24 to 48 hours to fully extract collagen and minerals. Add herbs and vegetables toward the end to retain their fresh character, and always season at the finish so you can control salt without concentrating it too early in the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.